So I pretty much went through yesterday and I checked my iPhone 15 Pro's battery health. Now, my iPhone 15 Pro is my day-to-day phone. This is the one that I've been using on an everyday basis. Even though I do have newer iPhones, I never felt like I needed to go and upgrade from my iPhone 15 Pro. And I've been using it since pretty much 2023. Now, I went through, checked the battery health, and guess what? My battery health is basically around 81% right now, which is actually pretty crazy. So for a lot of people, they start freaking out when their battery health gets down to like 99%. Right? They start thinking their phone is pretty much broken or it's not going to work anymore. My iPhone 15 Pro's battery health is at 81%. And I'm telling you from firsthand experience, I don't really feel the inclination to go and upgrade my iPhone or change my iPhone's battery health or, change my iPhone's battery. I basically go day to day and I have a really good time with this particular device. I haven't had too many battery problems in general. And if I didn't check the battery health, I would have assumed it was probably around like the 90%, percentile. So the fact that it's 81% and I barely even noticed is actually pretty insane. Now, this device still lasts pretty much all day for me. I'm usually ending the day with maybe like 15-20%, so it's definitely not at like 35 or 40% that it used to be. And I guess my charging habits may have changed a little bit. Maybe I'm kind of just charging my phone on the car because I have a wireless charger in my car, so I just kind of slap it on there. But the point is even though your battery health, may be going down, your battery life, it's probably not going to be, obviously it's going to go down, but your usage may also change. Your battery charging habits may also change naturally. So you might not even notice it going down unless you're checking up it, all the time. But it's at 81%. I'm probably not going to change my battery anytime soon. So I'm curious to see how much lower I can basically get it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.